Welcome to this quick tour of Norway. Known for its breathtaking landscapes and advanced society, let's dive into what makes this Scandinavian country so remarkable. From education to economy, tourism, and beyond, Norway is home to world class universities, particularly in engineering and medicine. Institutions like the Norwegian University of Science and Technology, NTNU, and the University of Oslo lead the way in educating engineers and medical professionals. The focus on research and innovation, combined with a strong emphasis on practical experience, makes these institutions some of the best in Europe for these fields. Norway is also making waves in the tech industry. Leading IT companies like Telenor and Aker Solutions are helping shape the future of telecommunications, digital solutions, and engineering. The country's startup scene is growing, with innovative companies focusing on AI, robotics, and sustainability tech. Norway's tech landscape is both vibrant and forward thinking. Norway has one of the highest GDP per capita rates in the world, largely driven by its vast oil reserves. However, it's also making strides in renewable energy, with a strong emphasis on sustainable practices. Norway is investing heavily in green technologies and aims to diversify its economy beyond oil. Strong public services, a high standard of living, and a stable welfare system make Norway's economy one of the most prosperous and stable in Europe. Tourism in Norway is booming, with travelers flocking to experience its stunning natural beauty. The majestic fjords, the northern lights, and outdoor adventures like hiking in the Norwegian mountains are just a few of the highlights. The country is also famous for its charming coastal cities like Bergen and Troms, offering a unique blend of culture and nature. In the world, Norway's connectivity is excellent. Oslo, the capital, serves as a major transport hub with efficient air, sea, and rail links connecting the country to the rest of Europe and beyond. Norway is also known for its modern infrastructure, including a vast network of tunnels, bridges, and roads, making travel around the country convenient and seamless. From cutting-edge education and innovative industries to its stunning natural beauty, Norway is a country of progress and potential. Whether you're looking to study, work, or explore, Norway offers an inspiring environment.